Group space. You hear about it all the time on the internet about maybe a travel agent can get you a better deal, maybe Costco, maybe all these different aggregators can find you a better deal on a cruise. Today we're going to talk about group space. We're going to run through some, and then every single Saturday I'm going to go live and I'm going to show you some deals that are out there that maybe can help you get a better price on a cruise. Today we're going to be focused on Royal Caribbean because Royal Caribbean is a little more expensive than everyone else, and we're going to try to save you a couple bucks. So let's get into group space. Hey everyone, John here from Bite Size Cruises. Welcome back to the channel. We're a travel agency. Today we're talking about travel agency things. We are going to be talking about group space. I wanted to start this out with a recorded video, and then from now on, every Saturday, I'm going to go live in the morning, and we're going to talk about group space that is available, that we have, that you would be able to get a little bit better of a deal on your cruise on. Today, like I said, we're going to start with Royal Caribbean. We're going to start in April of 2027. There is group space available from now until then. I just picked an arbitrary time. It takes a lot of time to look up this group space and to go through it. So I wanted to start with just a few days in early April. This is going to be a really good indication of we can find good deals. You have to be a little bit flexible. You have to be a little bit understanding that maybe it's not going to go exactly where you want to go if you're trying to save some money, but we can still get you some really good deals. So let's dig into it. We're going to start here on April 2nd of 2027. All of these are just going to be April 2nd, April 3rd. It's just going to go through Explorer, Freedom, Icon, Liberty, and Mariner. So we're going to go through 4 different cruises in those 2 days out of 4 different ports. And we're going to give you some idea of what these cruises could be. So let's start with Royal Caribbean Explorer the Seas on April 2nd of 2027. The itinerary, this is going to be a 5-day cruise out of Port Canaveral going to Grand Turk and Perfect Day with a couple sea days in there. And we have 8 cabins available on this particular cruise. 4 of them are interior cabins, 4 of them are ocean view. For the interior, the price that we have is $945 for that group space. That is the total cost for 2 guests, including cruise fare, port fees, and taxes. So 5-day cruise, under $1,000. The advertised price, if you go on the internet now, you just went to royalcaribbean.com, it's going to be $1,275 for those interior cabins. So it's a really good savings of $300 and some there for this cruise. If you wanted an ocean view, the price is $1,032.80. Again, for 2 guests, cruise fare, port fees, taxes. The advertised price, $1,270. So the really funny part is the interior are selling out. The ocean view are, there's some available. So still saving $200 here, but the ocean view is actually less than the interior online. Next up, let's talk about Freedom of the Seas. This is also a 5-day cruise. This is out of Miami on April the 3rd, from Miami, it's going to go to Nassau and Falmouth. So again, it's not always going to be the best itinerary. So this isn't an awesome itinerary, but it is a 5-day cruise. So it's a nice 5-day cruise. You're going to get a couple sea days, just wandering around a little bit. And we have a lot of cabins available on this one, 8, 12, 16 cabins available. 4 interior. If you book this with us, you would pay $1,030.78 for interior cabins. We have 4 interior available at this group rate. The cost online, if you go to Royal Caribbean, is $1407.30. So you're saving $400. Again, this is a cruise for 2 people with cruise fare, port fees, taxes. So you can get on the ship. If you want to get the drink package or anything, of course, that's additional. Next up, same sailing, 4 cabins available for ocean view. Our cost, $1104.78 for 2. Online is $1250.16. So again, you see the ocean view less than the interior, which is really funny. And then 8 balcony cabins available. We have them for $1252.78. The price online right now is $1548.20. So you're saving about $300 there on a balcony cabin. Next up, we're going to talk, I wanted to show like different levels of ships too. So we have Explorer, right? So you're in that class. We have Freedom, So you're in that class. Now we're going to show you Icon. So Icon, this is going to be a 7-day cruise out of Miami on April 3rd on Icon, going from Miami to Costa Maya, Roatan, Cozumel, and Perfect Day. Great itinerary. Obviously, Icon, newer ship here. It's going to be expensive. So we have 2 ocean view available and 4 balcony. The ocean view, our price here is $33.57.16. 2 guests, cruise fare, port fees, taxes. The online cost $36.71. And the balcony cabins, we have them for $4,017.16. The price at Royal Caribbean right now, $45.90.24. So you save $500 there on that cruise by grabbing this group space. 2 more we're going to talk about here. We're going to go back to Liberty. So Liberty of the Seas sailing out of Galveston at the moment. Again, we wanted to give you different sizes, different classes, different ports, different embarkation ports. So Galveston doing a 5-dayer, Galveston, Costa Maya, Cozumel. 4 interior cabins available, 4 ocean view. Interior $951.32 for 2. The Royal Caribbean price is $1159.88. And then the ocean views $1185.32. Royal showing $1457.88. That's a $300 savings right there. These are really great prices considering Royal Caribbean is selling out so many cruises and the prices are going up and up and up. Last but not least, Mariner of the Seas, April 3rd, 7-day cruise out of New Orleans, going to Cozumel, Grand Cayman, and Falmouth. We have 2 interior cabins available here for $1351.42 for 2 guests. That's total. I just want to be clear, the prices that I'm giving are totals. Total for 2 people, not each person. $1351.42, and the Royal Caribbean price is $1632.92. So it just gives you a great example of deals that you can find out there. Group space means that myself or the parent companies, so most people work under a host agency or a parent company, which could be Dream Vacations, Cruise Globe, whatever. Pick your Expedia, any of these, Costco, all those different places. They grab group space, which basically means when a cruise gets released and announced, hey, Icon's going to be doing 7-day cruises out of Miami, these companies grab those cabins at that rate. So you pay $50 a cabin to hold that price, essentially. And then we have those cabins until final payment. If we don't, they get released back and then the price will skyrocket. So what it does is it gives us the ability to sell those at a better rate. Sometimes, for some cruise lines, maybe Norwegian sometimes, the price will go down and then our group space isn't that great of a price, which means that most likely we wouldn't take out group space moving forward. But for Royal, Celebrity, those types, we're always grabbing group space so that we have these better deals. So if you're interested in any of these cruises, shoot me an email at jp@bytesizecruises.com or give me a call, 484-493-4482, and I am here to help you book one of these cruises. Again, they're going to be on the screen here. Inventory goes fast, so they may be available for a few days, a few weeks, who knows? But those are what's available for the first just couple days of April. And again, I'm going to start going live every Saturday. We're going to highlight a different month, a different few ships, and we're going to talk about some group rates that we have available. If you ever just want to ask if there's group space available on some sailings, you could always just shoot me an email and say, I'd really like to go on Icon in 2027. Are there any group rates available or any great deals that you can think of? And we can check those for you. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you have a wonderful day. I am getting on board of Freedom of the Seas today. Freedom, independence, freedom. Freedom of the Seas today. So I will pop on live in a little bit and say hi to everybody, and then we will do cruise news tomorrow, which will be recorded. So otherwise, we'll see everybody soon. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. And happy cruising. Bye.